I did. I don't think it'll. I don't know if it's gonna pick up our microphones or not. But
Yeah.
how is this standing? Hey, give me. Give me.
Oh my god. Where's the mine?
La la loopsie. You know I'm recording, right?
Oh.
Okay, you can murder the next guy. Hey, I was dancing. Am I crouching or standing?
You're standing.
What the? I don't.
I'm gonna replay that. That was, you know. Hello? Help me! Elliot! Elliot! I'm stuck in the closet! You have the audacity to say haha? No, no, no! Hey. I'm staying! Seven. I taught you so well! Oh, I didn't mean to. Oh! It's very messy.
Why are you pulling him over?
I'm stuck! I got stuck in the cooler!
How?
Oh no! Get in! Get in the cooler! Oh, he's in. Okay, we're good. We're good. I'm gonna drink water. Oh, I turned the music off. Yay!
Remember? You little.
No. We're not gonna say that on voice chat.
Oh, okay, right.
We're not gonna say that in voice chat, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
The other one.
You mean maggot?
No, not maggot. I meant muck.
I'm stabbing you.
No, stop stabbing me!
Hey.
You butt face. Why would you do that?
Okay, where do we put it? Okay, where do we put the next one?
Well,
It's kind of a mess in here. Okay, wait. I'm gonna fix it. Oh no! What is happening? We're in the middle of moving the cap. Bro, you opened the cooler!
I didn't!
You did!
No,
You
I didn't.
large latte!
No, I didn't. I didn't open the cooler.
Then how did, bro, this large latte decide to walk inside the cooler?
Oh my god, you biggie! You're big back.
You're
You're
not
big.
supposed to-
Biggie.
You're gonna get a warning.
Big back. Haha, fatty. Haha, biggie.
Did you get a warning? Are you on mute? Are you...